Alright, y'all, it's your boy Zay. I'm here to make a kind of like an install or remove video for the bumper. I've already kind of taken it off, but there's not a lot of resources out, I guess, video wise or even write-up wise. It's kind of what you have to do to kind of get this off or semi-off. I did mine semi-off because I didn't have to fully take it off to do what I had to do. I recently installed just those little Velocitech little snorkels, and it required me to take the bumper off. So kind of knocking out two birds, one stone. Yeah, I'm gonna knock out two birds, one stone, and kind of just do an install with this video. And the only things you really need is obviously like a ratchet style wrench, and I think this is a 932, and then a T10 kind of fitting almost or a bit, without further ado, I'm gonna get started and kind of just give you a brief overview of kind of what you're gonna have to do. So to put this back on, we're gonna go ahead and go here. Let me put this down real quick. I'm gonna try to kind of seat this on here as much as I can. And for the install, it's pretty much going to be the same as the removal. So if you're looking for like removal and stuff on the videos, I mean, theoretically it's going to be the same. You're going to have four screws each side, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and then let me go ahead and feed those in real quick just so this kind of keeps from moving. Kind of feed that one on this side just a little bit. I kind of have that fed in a little bit. So once you get 4 on that side, 4 on this side, you're also going to have, here's the 4 screws on this side. This is going to go in your liner, 1 2 3 4. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and clip these on, because you have to unclip these to kind of get it off. So let me kind of get to that point. And another thing, there's a bunch of screws under that you kind of have to put on or kind of fit in. So let me go ahead and line this up under a little bit before. So definitely make sure you get the lining under here first. This little liner that's under here, like the shield skid plate, almost, or whatever you want to call it. Make sure it's kind of under there and set up before you clip anything down on the other end. Okay, so that's good. I'm going to clip this in, if I can. There we go. This part. This side was a little loose when I took it off. Feed one. Oh, actually, before you feed these in, you want to get, there's one that's like, it's hard to explain. This little bolt right here goes up here and it sits down this way. It kind of holds this in, and you just kind of screw it in. Yeah, before you.
That sounds pretty good. You can do it hand tight too. You don't have to do it like foot pounds or whatever the fuck. Do you want to do it? Let me see where I put it. Like that too. Don't drop it immediately. Alright. Let's get this. Let me see if I got a little bit more. It's kind of tough.
Not gonna really go anywhere. That's always been kind of loose ever since I got the car. So yeah, that one's already fed through. Let me kind of get this liner back in roughly to where it was. And then I'll also use this right here. Oh, wrong one. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright, so as I'm feeding this one in, I'm gonna just show you guys and probably skip 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We already put that little bolt in here, so I'm just gonna use the rest of these 3 and feed these in and kind of go from there. Okay, so I got these 4 out. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 out. Now all the only other bolts other than the ones up top that you have to do are the ones from the bottom. So you're gonna have your 8 up top, and then you're gonna have your 4 here on the liner, and then 1 inside where this little, where it holds this kind of side marker, and then just the rest on the bottom. So now I'm gonna kind of just go through the ones on the bottom. It's quite a few of them. So like 3 here, I have 3 here that kind of go right here, and then I have the rest kind of laid out all the line under. Once you get under the car, you'll see what you need to kind of take apart or put back together and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that process and kind of just show you the end result after I've done that. So yeah. an extra one. But now we got that side done. Let's go ahead and get this side done. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and clip these in. Now on this one, there's like little tabs here, 1, 2. You have to kind of feed these in. You you see these tabs, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then just kind of get it around and then put it through these holes right here. So just go ahead and do that real quick. Okay. Go to feed this in here in this top part, kind of like how we did the other side. This one should be a little easier because I'm right-handed, and yeah, there we go. I already got it fed through pretty quick. Where is? There we go. All right, finish that up. Alright, so I secured the bumper to the side marker, or with the side marker piece screwed. Alright, flush that in. Now I'll put these pieces back in. Right here. And I'm just going to do these 4 pieces, and then once these 4 pieces are done, I got to do the 8 up top, and then it's finished. Bumper's back on, and it's good to go. Start back up and everything. So yeah, that's on there pretty good. Now for the easy pieces, top pieces. Let me go ahead and get these on it. Oh, there's this little stubby little piece that kind of goes in here. You just put it right like this right here, and then put the screw in. I'll show you in a second how it kind of looks. Put these pieces down. Feed the one with the washer on. I'll just leave it like that. So the ones without the washer, they kind of go through here like this. There, screwed on there. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then I'm not going to do the whole row of this. It's pretty self-explanatory after this. But after you put these bolts in, you're like done. You're good to go. Well, my fingers always hurt after messing with the screws for so long. Super annoying. Nice little snug fitment. Snug, tight. Nope. And for the last one. Boom, chakalaka. And yeah, that's pretty much it. How to put the bumper back on. Afterwards, you kind of just look over it, make sure you didn't miss anything, and you're good to go. So I appreciate y'all tuning in, watching the install, uninstall. I gotta fix that little piece right there and that little tab coming out. But yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.